Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at several Adidas iPhone 12 Pro Max cases. They have several more available in stock, but I thought I'd give you a taste of just three. So the first one, it's the Trefoil snap case, and all of these are pretty much the snap cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this has a cool like holographic type feel to it, and if you like Adidas in clear cases, this one's definitely a nice option. Then we'll go on to this one. This is a protective clear case as well. Okay, there we go. And this has a trefoil right here on the inside, so it's completely smooth on the outside. It has the flat walls on the side for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's got button covers, power button, volume button, and then the rocker is open. And then you have a cutout here for the camera cluster as well. So there's that one. And then we have one final one. If you like a black case and Adidas, this is a shiny black case right here. So there you go. It's that trefoil design just like the clear one, but with black and white. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's just a very simple snap-on case, but it's branded for Adidas. So if you like Adidas and have an iPhone 12 Pro Max and want to just change up your look while you're sporting the phone around town, you can do that with one of these three cases or with many others that they have to offer. And they also have phone cases for other iPhones as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.